After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavours of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. I just want to show you some regular or common spices for Sri Lankan cooking. So let's take a look at the top there. We've got some crushed chili, turmeric, chili powder, gorica. Gorica is a dried fruit, a little bit like tamarind. That's used as a souring kind of agent. Good for chicken and meat, and especially for fish. Goes in lots of curries. Cloves, mustard seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds, cinnamon. Of course, cinnamon in Sri Lanka is grown here. It's absolutely wonderful. Rampa or pandan leaves, curry leaves, and then curry powders. Very common. You get a light and a roasted. The roasted kind of goes in a little bit near the end usually. It's got a lovely, wonderful, just roasted flavour to it. And the common one there is the kind of base. But yeah, these are kind of, not all the spices used in Sri Lanka, but very, very common. The most kind of common ones, I would say. Okay. So today we're going to make this really simple and quick version of dal. Later on in the series I'm going to be making a more kind of luxurious version, but this is a kind of get it together really quickly. Everything goes in the pan at the same time pretty much. So we're going to use 3 cups of red lentils. We're going to wash them in cold water a couple of times. We're going to add that into a dry pan. No need for oil or anything. We're going to add 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, some fresh chili to taste. I'm using quite a lot in here, but you can adjust that if you want. 1/4 cup of pandan leaves, 1/4 cup of curry leaves, salt to taste, a nice piece of cinnamon stick. We're going to whiz that around for like 2 to 3 minutes. We're then going to add 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of unroasted curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Again, a couple of minutes, spin that around in the pan on a medium heat. Very simply, we're going to add 3 cups of coconut milk. We're going to bring that to a boil, then we're going to lower the heat for about 8 to 9 minutes. This type of dal cooks very, very quickly. It's going to thicken, it's going to be beautiful. You'll have it on the table to serve in absolutely no time. It's delicious.